Hello guys! Today I've got the MacBook Pro and the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 and I'm going to show you how you can easily pair them with your MacBook. To pair your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 with your MacBook, at first you need to open the settings. Now, okay, as I can see that the brightness of the screen is too high, so let me quickly lower it, maybe not like that. Okay, here open Bluetooth, and now here scroll down. As you can see here, we've got nearby devices. Open your case lid, and now here find this connection button at the back. Hold this button, click and hold until you see here the LED light doing the RGB. Now your Samsung Galaxy Buds should appear in nearby devices list. If they don't, and you see that they are in the pairing mode, turn off Bluetooth and turn it back on. They finally appeared after 2 minutes of fighting. Here they are, hover them, and now I don't know why it kicked me out. I think my macOS is kind of buggy, but here now we have our Buds4 Pro. Hover them and click connect. Now wait a moment, and now as you can see, my devices Galaxy Buds4 Pro connected, 100% battery. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.